Yeah, we were closer than friends. I hope that we could withstand. But now when I fall and when I cry, who's there to pick me up? When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surface listening, echoes lost again. Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome yet to another camping vlog. Alright, so today we are going once again to Tanay, Rizal. This time we're taking the Teresa Morong Road. And yeah, here we are traversing this notorious zigzag road. It was a lovely weekend for us, and there were a lot of cars, there were a lot of trucks basically. But yeah, today we are going to Epic Park in Tanay, Rizal for another camping adventure. Alright, so as we are traversing this road, we have mistakenly turned to this wrong road going to Daranak Falls or Daranak Access Road. Although what they said was there was actually road going to Tanay Epic Park, but yeah, we just had to type our destination differently. So yeah, we had to go back outside of the woods right here, and we wanted to make sure that our car is actually gonna make it through the place that we were supposed to go to. So we went back to the main road. So your marker, basically, if you're on the right way, is if you see this resort here, it's called Bakasyonan, right there. Yep. So you just keep going straight until you reach this area. Alright, you turn left. If again you came from Bakasyonan, there's this first gate here with a guard. We were told to keep going straight until we reach another gate. So we're driving a relatively medium car, so it's okay. It's a little bumpy, but I think we can make it. And this is the second gate that I was talking about, the entrance going to Epic Park camping site. Alright, from there you guys are gonna give in instructions how to get through the campsite or the registration area. Again, it's a little bumpy, but manageable. I think some sedans can actually make it through here. You just have to be careful and select the parts of where you want to go. Alright, we're on our way to the registration area. Of course, to pay our dues, our fees. Shout out to Sir Kirk. Thank you for assisting us. And now that that's done, we are turning back around and turning right this time so we can go to the campsites. There are a couple of campsites, camps 1, 2, and 3. We decided to go a little bit further by camp 3. Our car was just parked behind us, not necessarily with us. We've set it up. It's a lovely afternoon. Camp 1 was a little packed, but yeah, this is where we are. It's still a good spot. This is how our camp looked like. We finished a little late, but again, we've set up pretty nicely. Okay, we're preparing merienda and some early dinner. Grilled burgers right there for you, for everyone. Here's Kate doing some finishing touches of the said burger. And voila, here we are. For dinner, we got grilled jumbo as well. Here's next morning. This is how our setup looked like in daylight. I think it looked pretty cool. Thank you, Decathlon, for our basic and generic camping needs. We've set up a little swing over here. There you go, overlooking by the clouds. Of course, our signature, or Sandro's signature, running through the woods. I think he's having fun. They got electricity here, by the way. This is located by Camp 1. I think there's another one in Camp 2. So you guys can actually plug in your electronics if you're right beside that tree. Okay, preparing breakfast as always. It's pretty laid back and chill surrounding or environment, so I really like it here. Just gotta be careful. There are a few insects that are running around. They're not harmful, but we got safety precautions. We bought an anti-mosquito spray and this citronella candle that I think could repel them a little bit nicely. We got some few things as well here, such as these team building like activity, such as this big rope swing, rope climb, and of course, Daddy has to try it too.
Oh, Daddy, lalaglag yan!
Alright, time for breakfast. Got some spam, eggs, Doritos, some cheese, and some bread. Outdoor John. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Same camera.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ayan.
Nagtotoo na.
Vlogging the vlogger.
Vlogging the vlogger.
Yes, sir. Keith Razon. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Our friendly neighbor. Alright, sir. They got a little nice section up here as well in Tanay Epic Park. If you guys are Katniel fans, you guys might or are familiar with these scenes, and yeah, this is exactly where they shot it, right there. That little nipa hut. This is the place where, of course, they shot that scene. Here we are, trying to review how that scene looked like. And here we are, reenacting that lovely finale scene from that movie. It was a little windy, but yeah, I thought it was cool. It was fun to do it. The little one, of course, had to try it too. Of course, no doubt. One with nature, playing with sticks and leaves. Time to go back to camp. Once again, like I said, it's pretty laid back and chill. We were really thankful that the weather was nice. There were a few campers, few neighbors that are also considerate of the rules and regulations, especially quiet time. So I thought it was really nice. It was really cool, and we appreciated them. Love it here, Tanay Epic Park. We got some trash bins and a nice comfort room and restrooms, as well as, of course, washing area.
Ay! Daddy!
Almost time to go home, but here we are, one for the road. We like it here in Tanay Epic Park. Feel like we're gonna go back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good vibes all the way. Peace.